Our latest vision booster technology uses an algorithm to study the surrounding light intensity and using tone mapping adjusts the brightness to make dark areas brighter and maximizes color contrast for a sharper image. This combined with our brightest ever 1750 nits display now lets you immerse yourself in whatever you're watching, whether it's indoors or under the bright sun. So there's another thing that makes the S22 series the GOAT. It is its latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 mobile processor. This first ever 4 nanometer processor on a Galaxy, our fastest ever, delivers unrivaled performance. In addition to that, Samsung's new enhanced neural processing unit delivers up to 2 times better AI processing power compared to the Galaxy S21. The Galaxy S22 camera comes with the adaptive pixel sensor technology for brighter and clearer photos. Additionally, with a 23% larger pixel sensor, super clear lens, and upgraded super night solution, one can take smoother and clearer nighttime videos without any flare effect. Whenever you're on the move and see something inspiring, you can just capture the moment and shoot stable videos. That's because of a 58% wider correction angle of optical image stabilization and video digital image stabilization, more commonly known as VDIS, which analyzes 4 times more motion data than before. And that's not all. This is the GOAT of all pro grade cameras. All the lenses on the S22 Ultra can shoot in pro mode. What's more is that this device comes equipped with the Experts RAW app. This DSLR-like experience helps you tailor pictures and videos to look exactly the way you want. With the S22 series, we will be extending OS upgrades to up to 4 years and security upgrades to 5 years.
I know the moment you all have been waiting for. Here are the prices for the all-new Galaxy S22.